Hi, in this video, we'd see how to add people to Slack. Now, if you want to add somebody to a specific channel, you just need to select that channel. For example, I want to use this channel, and this is where I want to select. This is the channel where I want to add any teammates. What I would do is I could just click on this button, which is towards the top right of my screen, or I could just select add people in from here right in front of me. And now I have two options. I could choose either of these. The first one is about adding members to the existing channel. The second one is about adding the new members to a new separate channel, which would be created automatically. So it depends on you. And once you've made your decision, you would just select continue. Now you would be asked for a name or an email. If you have registered with your work email, and if you're registered onto your companies or your organization's official workspace on Slack, then of course you could just type in names and you would have some suggestions. Otherwise, you could of course add people via email. You would just type in their emails, whatever it is. So I'm just typing a very random sort of email in here. And once you select all the people you want to, you could add any number of users you like in here, and then you would just click on add, and an email would be sent to that address. Now, since this is a dummy email, of course this won't work, but basically this is the procedure if you want to add anybody to an existing channel. If you want to add people directly to your workspace, what you do is you would just select add teammates. This is the option you would choose in here, and you could just type in the emails of anybody you like, and of course those people would then receive emails. This is about adding people to the workspace itself, not to any specific channels, the main workspace. So let's type in the email there once again, xyz@gmail.com. Okay, this has a little bit of an error because the whole email wasn't registered, but of course this is a dummy email. You could just type in any sort of you could just type in any sort of emails. Just make sure that you have typed in properly, otherwise you might see errors. This could be Gmail or Outlook, any website that is inconsequential, and like anybody else at yahoo.com. So you could of course invite in any number of people you like from their emails. And what you could also do is, in fact this option is way more convenient if you ask me. What you do is you just select the invite link, and the link is copied onto your clipboard, so you could directly paste that link to any sort of social media platform you use, or any sort of existing groups you have with your teammates, or on any other social media platform, and invite them to your Slack workspace. Because you've just copied the link and you could just share that, they would just need to click on that, and they would of course be redirected towards this workspace. And this is basically how you add people to Slack. The whole purpose of Slack, of course, is efficient communication, right? So you would want your teammates to be registered so that you all could work effectively and efficiently.